Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the rear cross traffic alerts on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, if you go here to your dashboard, you're gonna find all of the settings related to driving on your Corolla. So in order to access the settings, all you need to do guys is use these arrow buttons. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look on the dashboard. Just go ahead and find settings, and then just use the arrows to go up or down. As you can see guys, here you're gonna find all of these options. Here you're gonna find the lane assist, ECS, RSA, the RCC. But if you have the option available on your Toyota Corolla, you're gonna find RCTA as well right here, and all you need to do guys is activate it. In my Toyota Corolla I don't have this option, but if you have it, you're going to just go to the option and then go ahead and click on this button on OK, and then you're gonna be able to enable it or disable it. So as you can see guys, I disabled this option, but if you want to re-enable it, just give it a click again and then it's going to be enabled. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.